Mm. Mm. Everybody do some TikTok. TikTok. Hello, hello. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Yang Yum. My name is Andrew, and this is my YouTube channel. For those of you that are new, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. You won't regret it, I promise. And after watching this video, please feel free to check out my other recipes on my channel and consider following me for more new and exciting recipes right here, right now, every week, baby. Bam! So in today's video, I have a special treat for you guys. Are you ready? It's none other than the famous TikTok Oreo Cheesecake. But, that's right, my own little secret ingredient. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first, we're gonna make the crust. You're gonna need about 10 of these Oreos and place them in this plastic bag. Next part is fun. 대한민국.
You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say.
You're gonna add your crushed Oreos into the large mixing bowl. 3 tablespoons of butter, melted butter that is, and mix.
So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you.
Cake pan, parchment paper, and just dump that right in there.
Come down, it's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane.
Go ahead and just flatten it out.
Time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane.
Next, we're gonna take 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of heavy cream, 3 tablespoons of sugar. Last but not least, my secret ingredient, instant coffee. Go ahead and give that a mix. It's kind of hard. And throw a couple of Oreos in there, why not? And we're just gonna fill this up right on top of our crust. Oh, baby. I think we're good. Let's just flatten this out a little bit. Cover this and put it in the freezer for a couple hours until it sets fully. And that's it. Now we wait.
A few hours later.
I think we're ready. Now about 4.5 hours have passed. Let's check to see. Oh, baby. Yep. I don't know if you can see this right now, but it looks good. Sheesh. So look at that. Shall we take a bite? Magkasimedap. Oh my God. I mean, seriously, honestly, I didn't think this was gonna be that good. I mean, it's a TikTok recipe. Never tried it before. First time. Man, this is really good though. I give it a solid 9 out of 10. It's really good. You need to give it a try. Especially if you're an Oreo lover like me. And coffee, that special ingredient that I put in before. Oh my God, if you're a coffee lover, you would love this. Man. I say, put the full tablespoon. I only put half a tablespoon in before. Put the full tablespoon, man. This is really good. Wow. You hear the sound of that? Oh my gosh. The crust? Okay, so that's it for today's recipe. Thank you for checking this out. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff down there, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.
Stick together. I can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks.
So good. So good. Delicious. Delicious. What am I doing?